Whether it takes you several years or just a few weeks to obtain your private pilot's license, it is a great achievement and you should be proud of reaching this goal. However, the post-PPL phase is an important time for the recently qualified pilot. You have learned to fly up to an acceptable standard, but this is when a new phase of learning begins. Assuming the funds are available and you can afford to fly on a regular basis, you might find yourself giving pleasure flights to friends and family until the novelty wears off. What then? If you have not planned ahead, you might find yourself flying less often. If you don't form the habit early in your flying career, you might stop landing away at other airfields. Without this practice, your confidence will lessen and eventually your flying might be confined to short trips in the local area. There is a risk that the fall in your confidence level may lead to you stopping flying altogether. It would be a great shame to withdraw from flying having come so far, but it's all too common for amateur pilots to abandon it at this early stage. So set new goals to maintain your interest. Continue to learn and to build your confidence. Consider the variety in aviation and stretch yourself to reach each of these objectives, and your confidence and ability will grow with each step. Join a flying club and socialise with other aviators. You'll find it encouraging to be among other pilots with whom you can share your experiences, hopes and even your fears. Join AOPA and enjoy hotel, fuel and pilot supply discounts. AOPA strives to protect the rights of general aviation pilots, and the sense of belonging to an association that fights for your rights is encouraging. Join the LAA or the equivalent in your country and build, maintain and restore aircraft. Visit other airfields. Land on grass, concrete and tarmac and compare the difference while you hone your precision landing skills. Fly throughout the year and study the weather. Strengthen your confidence in making the right choice when the weather is marginal. Convert to other aircraft types and grow to understand their handling characteristics. Convert to a tail dragger or vice versa. Treat the learning like a voyage of discovery. Learn to fly vintage aircraft. You may not be able to fly an expensive warbird, but you could log some tiger moth time or similar. Getting to know those who fly warbirds may put you in the right place at the right time to get a ride in something bigger. Learn to fly aerobatics and take part in amateur competitions. It's thrilling and fun, and you'll learn all about the aircraft's limits as well as your own. Go to fly-ins and air rallies. This is a very popular activity among amateur pilots who want to meet others in different locations. Take part in air races. Buddy up with a co-pilot and see if you can win your first trophy. Plan and fly a long trip with overnight stays either in a tent or in hotels. Fly across water and develop your confidence in your navigation and fuel management skills. Lachlan Smart, an Australian pilot, flew around the world when he was just 18 years old. His advice: don't be afraid to dream big, and when you have a goal, go for it. If the pilot's license was the first step of a professional career, then you're probably already aware of the path to further training. You may already be planning for further ratings that will lead to a job as a commercial pilot or instructor. What to do if you have your pilot's license but the cash runs out? For any number of reasons, you may find that the money just isn't available for flying. The pilot's license may have to be put aside while you take care of other financial responsibilities like home, family, schooling, and time spent with your loved ones. However, if it's obvious that you're hooked on aviation, then you may find your Christmas and birthday wishes are fulfilled, and you continue to add entries into your logbook. They may not be entries in the pilot in command column, but you can still experience flight in all kinds of ways. What's your next logbook entry going to be?